Sophie has just got back from work. She has had a long day at the office. Sophie needs a healthy meal, but she doesn't know what to make.
I know! I'll use ham!
As you can see, all Sophie does is go onto her phone and click on the app.
Yes! I will do the Spanish chicken stew. Healthy and easy.
After clicking on the app, the home page is shown. To get back to the home page at any time, click the icon in the bottom left corner.
You will then have the option to choose breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert, gluten-free, dairy-free, vegetarian and vegan recipes.
After clicking on one of the options, you'll be taken to a new page on the app, showing all of the recipes available for that category.
Then click on the option you would like to view and it will show the ingredients. Then at the bottom of the ingredients page, a method button will appear. Click on this to get the method for the dish.
If you would like to go back one page, the back arrow is in the top left corner. A search button is located at the bottom of every page if you would like to search for a category or specific recipe.
These are just a few meal examples.
All you have to do is download and enjoy.